What is Metasploit Framework used for? The Metasploit Framework is a Ruby-based, modular penetration testing platform that enables you to write, test, and execute exploit code. The Metasploit Framework contains a suite of tools that you can use to test security vulnerabilities, enumerate networks, execute attacks, and evade detection. In today's video I am going to explain the Metasploit Framework basic commands. Follow this series of videos will explain Metasploit in further videos. To find security issues, verify vulnerability mitigations and manage security assessments with Metasploit. To change the banner of Metasploit, type BANA. To start Metasploit without banner, type console q. To show different commands, type help. It will show core commands, module commands, job commands, database core commands, developer commands, etc. To check version of Metasploit Framework, type Vesri on here. The current version of my Metasploit is 6.1.4 dev. Type show h. It will show all the valid parameters for show commands. Here I took an example exploit vsftpd backdoor command execution. To interact with exploit, type search vsftpd. Now type shortcut command use 0. The show options command will show you the available parameters for an exploit if used when the command line is in exploit context. Let's use the unix/ftp/vsftpd234 backdoor exploit and have a look at the options with the following command. Type show options. Here we have options rhosts and rport. The rport is by default set 21 and the rhost is the required target host IP address. Set rhosts 192.168.10.10. Now check available payloads, type show payloads. When we use the show payloads command, the msf console will return a list of compatible payloads for this exploit. In our vsftpd exploit example it'll return quite a compatible payload. Now type info command. When an exploit is selected with the use command we can retrieve information like the name, platform, author, available targets and a lot more by using the info command. Now to execute the exploit, type command exploit or run. Here the exploit will not work because just use target IP as to only show the demo of Metasploit working. In further videos we will explain the complete exploitation of vulnerable machine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, or subscribe to the button, or hit the notification bell, or leave me a comment, or subscribe to my channel Who Am I Security. Thanks, we'll see you in next video soon. Take care, Allah Hafiz.